Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before starting my video, there's a short announcement regarding the UPSC Civil Service Examination Mega Combat on Unacademy. It is on 6 February Sunday at 11 am sharp. In this, you'll be given 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, and there are 56 questions to solve. And these questions are framed by our top educators at Unacademy. You have the chances to win the scholarship worth rupees 4 crore if your ranking, all India ranking, is between 1 to 500. You can win many awards, many scholarships. This combat is available in Hindi language as well as English language, so you can opt for the language whichever you're comfortable with. And also this link I have given in the description box below. Also I have pinned in the comment section. Just go and have a look. Also, a new series for Prelims 2022 has been started for the GSN CSAT Score Booster in the name of Score Booster Test Series. So it will be basically a preparation roadmap to UPSC CSE Prelims 2022. In this, the GS will be taken on weekdays and CSAT will be conducted on Saturdays at 10 am, and there will be total 15 questions in 15 minutes. That is one question per minute. So you can enroll yourself. This is totally free of cost. Use my code Tripti10 to unlock. Thank you. I was going through my comment section and I realized that many school students watch my videos for their UPSC guidance and preparation. So this video is exclusively for school students if you are in 6th to 12th class, whichever class you study. So I'll share a few tips on the basis of my experience with you all. First, tip number 1 is that NCERTs. See, you are studying in a school and you have ample amount of time. Like if you are in 12th, so at least you have 3 to 4 years before actually appearing in the exam. So first is NCERTs. Whichever class you are studying in, study NCERTs properly and comprehensively. Try to understand the concepts. See, like I have done MA also. So MA के बाद भी मैंने NCERTs पढ़ी है 6th से लेके 12th तक. So you can realize the importance of NCERTs. So NCERTs will actually save a lot of time and a lot of understanding, क्योंकि आप quickly grasp कर लोगे. जब आपका actual time start होगा, UPSC का phase जो start होगा, तो आपको समझ आने लगेंगे concepts जल्दी से, क्योंकि आपकी NCERTs जो होगी वो tips पे होगी. तो अभी time भी है, वैसे ही कोरोना का phase है, तो schools वैसे ही नहीं खुले हुए हैं. So this is actually a golden period for all of you. You can save a lot of time by reading the NCERTs very comprehensively, in a very amicable manner, in a very good manner, in a very friendly manner if you study, and try to make the notes also in your second or third revision basically. So tip number 2 is the focus on current affairs. See, current affairs actually matters a lot in UPSC preparation for 1 year and more or less 1.5 years. So even if you study right now, like all the current affairs, even if you mug up, it won't help a lot. Yes, it would help, but not much, because they come and go and they change a lot. So start reading a newspaper. Develop a habit of reading a newspaper. If you're already reading a newspaper, if you're habitual with it, so that's a very plus point with you. But if you're not and you're thinking to prepare for government exams, be it UPSC, SSC or any other exam, any government exam specifically, so develop a habit of reading a newspaper right now. So these 2 important tips. First is about reading the NCERTs in a very understanding manner. Try to understand and grasp the concepts. And second is start developing a habit of reading the newspaper, be it The Hindu, Indian Express, Times of India. अभी स्कूल में हो, थोड़ा habit develop करो, धीरे आदत पड़ेगी, and gradually you will develop the pace of reading and understanding the concepts, understanding the language of the editorials of the newspapers. So thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.